Saudi Flows is super excited to showcase the grandest basement ground triplex ever built in Saudi. A 1000 square yards corner in a premium location of GK2. And the best part, you not only get a wider road in front but also a super peaceful road on the side. And in this basement ground triplex, you get 4 spacious bedrooms, 6 car parking. Let me take you inside this architectural marvel. This home truly feels like an independent bungalow because you get multiple entry points, you get those separate gates from the front side, you also get a separate gate from the side and 6 exclusive car parking. This much parking space you won't even get if you make your own bungalow. इस तरह का sunken courtyard साउथ दिल्ली में आज से पहले कभी नहीं बना और ये इसलिए पॉसिबल हो पाया क्योंकि 1000 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स की कॉर्नर प्रॉपर्टी है. नॉर्मली 1000 स्क्वायर की ऑप्शंस ऑलरेडी बहुत कम होती हैं, कॉर्नर तो सुपर रेयर ऑप्शन. एंड यू गेट अ सुपर एक्सक्लूसिव एंट्रेंस दैट फील्स लाइक a standalone independent villa where you get almost 23 to 24 feet height over here. What a beautiful light fixture they have given. A super grand staircase, a private glass door lift, but the highlight being a super grand sized lobby area, a private lobby area which almost feels like a day room. Another unique element, अगर आप ये जो flooring में आप देखोगे, this is exactly the mirror copy of the false ceiling design. What could be more, thoughtfulness that can be given to the interiors? A super practical home. आपको इस लॉबी एरिया जो कि एक फुली एयर कंडीशन लॉबी एरिया है, इसके साथ में यू ऑल्सो गेट अ पाउडर वॉशरूम, ऑल्सो अ डेडिकेटेड पेंट्री ओवर हेयर एंड दिस लॉकेबल डोर you can simply shut. If you want to use the common areas, you can open this, otherwise you can remain. This is a lockable area. Now, before heading to the ground floor, I'll be showing you the basement, which is absolutely stunning. Even after covering so many properties in South Delhi, I still feel that iski tarah ka basement ground triplex aaj tak nahi bana. In the basement, you have such grand size of the swimming pool, and not just any swimming pool. I'm sure आपने साउथ दिल्ली फ्लोर्स पे बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टीज देखी होंगी जिसके अंदर आपको पूल देखने को मिला, बट द काइंड ऑफ इंटीरियर डिटेलिंग दैट हैज़ बीन डन ओवर हियर, दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ग्रैंड. सो वी हैव अ बैकलिट ऑनिक्स. ऑनिक्स इज़ अ वेरी रेयर स्टोन ऑफ टर्की ओरिजिन, सुपर प्रीमियम स्टोन, और जो एम्बियंस स्पेशली इन द इवनिंग जो इससे क्रिएट होगी, दैट वुड बी ट्रूली नेक्स्ट लेवल. जो पूल के एरिया का जो फॉल सीलिंग है, दे हैव यूज्ड अ मेटालिक डिज़ाइन ओवर हियर लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली ग्रैंड. And to make this super useful, they have also given these super size steps in the pool area. Almost 4.5-5 feet की depth है, and this is not just a lap pool. A proper swimming pool they have given in the basement area with multiple water spouts they have given over here. Absolutely grandness to the next level. So this home is almost ready. Just some final finishes are going on. Detailing to the next level, they have used this mirror work in the pillars. Now this area, this brown flooring area which you are seeing, is a waterproof wooden decking they have done to complement the pool area. Also you can create your gym over here. Alongside this, they have given this super sized bathroom which is almost like a club style washroom over here with a super sized shower cubicle, a WC area, a closet area where you can store your towels. You also have a steam room over here, a very interesting faucet they have given over here. Now let me show you the most interesting part of this basement. So the whole idea of buying a basement ground triplex is the space, and a space like this किसी और फ्लोर के अंदर possible नहीं है. The kind of grandness you get along with it. At the start of the video, I showed you a very interesting sunken courtyard. Why it is so interesting is that because of this sunken courtyard, it doesn't even feel that we're in the basement. So you get all the natural light and ventilation over here. What an architectural marvel and architectural beauty they have created over here. So just imagine आप अपने friends and family के साथ एक evening के अंदर या फिर morning में आपके coffee table को place करने के लिए, what an amazing architecture they have created over here. And to complement this area, this is going to be your main living room area. You have a day room on the ground floor, but this super sized living room area is absolutely to the next level. And for the very first time in South Delhi, someone has used artificial daylight. So it almost लग रहा है कि natural light आ रही, but this is an artificial daylight. Over here they have given a double height which is almost like a 23-24 feet. Absolutely grand. All the air conditioning, Daikin की air conditioning है, VRV air conditioning है इसके साथ में. Now, to complement this living room area, they have given a pantry over here with 2 access. So the servers can serve from here and they can access the pantry from the other side. Let me quickly take you inside the pantry. Normally हमें basement ground triplex के में छोटे size की pantry मिलती है, but this is almost like a full size kitchen they have given over here. What could be grander than this? And इस pantry की आपको 2 access मिलते हैं. You also get an access from this side. And this basement ground triplex has so many areas. So not just one, they have given 2 powder rooms over here, 1 super size storeroom, so where you can store your extra stuff or your travel suitcases and all. Now, enough about this basement. Let me take you to the ground floor. Another unique element, the entire flooring, चाहे वो ground floor पे हो, चाहे ये basement के अंदर हो, जो भी आप flooring पे अंदर आप multiple stones के design देख रहे हैं, that is the mirror copy of the false ceiling design. And interiors to next level है. What beautiful pillars they have created over here, which is absolutely identical to the pillars they have used in the elevation. So what an amazing synchronization they have given. Even for about the lift, it's a glass door lift, but it's a 2-side lift over here. Now I'll meet you on the ground floor. So the builder has installed a 2-way lift for this basement ground triplex. On the stilt area we enter from that side, but on the ground floor we exit from here. Now, apart from the living room we have seen in the basement, you also get a day room over here, which is a very spacious living room, a drawing room or day room. आपको जो नाम देना आप इसको कुछ भी कह सकते हो. Being a corner 1000 square yard, ample natural lighting, ventilation, and you also get super sized balconies along with it. Let me show you one of the main balcony. What a super sized balcony they have given along with it. Each and every room comes with a spacious balcony. Now this balcony is one of the main balcony on the front side, but you also get the same balcony which is continuing on the side also. Very interesting concept they have given. Again, जितनी भी false ceiling का जो design है, that is the mirror copy of the flooring over here. Now, about the kitchen, they have given 2 separate entrances for the kitchen. So one entrance is from that side and another entrance is from this side. A super sized kitchen they have given on the ground floor also. So much space. You can keep almost 2 big size refrigerator over here. All the fittings they have installed, they have used is by Miele. Miele, अगर आपको पता हो, one of the most premium brand in kitchenware. Amazing fittings. So you have a countertop over here, a lot of storage, a lot of drawers over here. You also have an inbuilt dishwasher installed by Miele. Very good space they have used for the veggie washer and the dirty kitchen over here. Even along with this kitchen, you get a separate balcony, a super sized balcony that opens up on the corner side. Just see the expanse of the balconies you get along with this property. You get so much walkable space in this kitchen, so much storage space they have given along with it, and the advantage of having multiple access. So आपके जो servers हैं, they can very well cook in the kitchen, they can serve to the living room area, and apart from this also, so much walkable space in the kitchen. So you can store some crockery over here, amazing space for the refrigerator. Everything is absolutely grand. Now this is what I was talking about. The flooring design is absolutely the mirror copy of the false ceiling. So South Delhi में पहली बार किसी ने इतना thoughtfully, इतना सोच के इस property को construct किया है. Let me take you to the first master bedroom. I said first master bedroom because this property has 2 master bedrooms. So this is the first master bedroom, a super sized bedroom, so much space. In every room they have given some unique element. So a beautiful feature wall over here. You also get additional storage space, a 3-door closet over here. But not just this. Let me take you inside one of the grand bathrooms you get along with this. Wow, what a super sized bathroom you get along with it. It is fully air conditioned, so you have a full one-way cassette AC over here. Glass door finish के अंदर they have given 4-door closet over here. This is how the closet looks from inside. Absolutely beautiful. Just see the kind of detailing they have done. You know, usually builder क्लॉजेट अच्छे बनाते हैं, बट जो उसके साथ की एक्सेसरीज होती हैं उनको इंस्टॉल नहीं करते. बट यू गेट एवरीथिंग अलॉन्ग विद दिस. अ सेपरेट हिज एंड हर बेसिन ओवर हेयर. जितनी भी लग्जरी फिटिंग्स हैं, गोल्डन कलर की फिटिंग्स हैं, जैसी की सारी फिटिंग्स हैं इसके अंदर. सुपर साइज बाथरूम विद सच अ ब्यूटिफुल वेनिटी एरिया, सो मच वॉकेबल स्पेस, अ WC एरिया, a grand shower cubicle area, and to make it very very practical, even the bathrooms comes with a balcony opening, so you can in the winters जब आप steam लेते हैं, आप shower use करते हैं, so a lot of moisture comes in, so you can just open this door and all the moisture travels outside, so that adds to the practicality जो life है fittings की वो enhance हो जाए. That's your PDR area, a good size dark theme powder bathroom. Looking absolutely classy over here. What a beautiful fitting they have given. एक single piece basin दिया है with a very interesting faucet they have given over here. That's your lift landing. That's your private staircase. It also comes with a store on the ground floor. Now, that's your second bedroom. All the bedrooms are super size. Intentionally इस property के अंदर 5 bedroom नहीं बनाए, 4 bedroom बनाए क्योंकि no one wants to compromise on the bedroom size. So in this bedroom, they have used this wooden flooring over here. What a spacious bedroom. Even this bedroom comes with a super sized balcony over here. What an amazing balcony space. And this balcony opens up on the side of the property, which is absolutely peaceful, wider road on both of the sides. And all the bathrooms are absolutely grand and unique from each other. Now, this is the bathroom that comes with a second bedroom. Very unique looking bathroom. What a good size of looking glass mirror they have given over here. जैसी की सारी fittings हैं. Now, this is your super spacious shower cubicle with a planter over here, with a bathtub, and even इसको complement करने के लिए इन्होंने steps भी create करें to add to the functionality. So much storage space they have given along with it. So you get almost a 6-door closet over here, and what beautiful looking closet they have created over here using some glass, using some jute work. What a beautiful looking closet. So we have seen 2 bedrooms. Let me quickly show you the 3rd bedroom. Before that, they have also given a very practical, one can say, TV room or a family lounge area over here. You also get a dedicated puja room space over here, which is really practical, good size. Now, that's your 3rd bedroom. Every bedroom is super size, super grand, comes with a feature wall. Just see the kind of space you're getting in this. Even this bedroom has a balcony over here. जितने भी ग्लास यूज़ करा है, these are DGU glass, sound resistant glasses हैं, weatherproof हैं. And another super size bathroom over here. एक L shape के अंदर पूरा यहाँ पे इन्होंने closet space create किया हुआ है. They have also given a dresser over here. Now, that's the beautiful vanity they have given along with it. What an amazing dark theme bathroom they have given. Really stunning. So you have so much space to store your bathroom essentials. In fact, हर बाथरूम के अंदर जैसे कि जो फिटिंग्स यूज़ करी हैं वो डिफरेंट कलर है. कहीं पे हमने गोल्डन देखी, कहीं पे हमने डिफ्यूज सिल्वर देखी. नाउ दिस इज़ ब्रास कलर जैसी फिटिंग दे हैव गिवन ओवर हियर. एवरी बाथरूम इज़ एयर कंडीशन, एवरी बाथरूम इज़ सुपर साइज, सुपर वॉकेबल. ओवर हियर वी हैव WC एरिया एंड अ शॉवर क्यूबिकल विद अ सिटिंग ledge. Amazing quality, I should say. So we have seen 3 bedrooms. Now let me show you the grandest of all, the 4th bedroom, which is also another master bedroom over here. Wow, what a super size bedroom they have given over here. So अगर आप इस रूम की प्लेसमेंट देखें, so जो बाथरूम की ओपनिंग है वो इस तरफ है, तो आपका जो बेड है वो इस एरिया के अंदर आएगा. इवन आफ्टर कीपिंग अ किंग साइज बेड, you have so much space to you can install further. आप सिटिंग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जैसे 5 स्टार में स्वीट होते हैं, so you can create a good sitting over here. Really super size bedroom they have given over here. In fact, this bedroom is so huge, so massive that they've given 2 air cons to cool this area. Now let me show you the master bathroom along with it. So this master bathroom comes with a separate walk-in closet area. So you can, for privacy, you can simply shut this. Glass door का इन्होंने उसको partition किया हुआ है. And this super size, super grand walk-in closet area. 3 side आपको glass finish के अंदर इसके अंदर closet मिलता है. This is how the closet looks from inside. So every corner, every side they have used, utilized, and really beautiful looking closet from the inside also and outside also. A stunning full looking glass feeder they have given over here. Now that's your vanity area. So they've given separate his and her basin over here. Again जैसी की fittings हैं, इसके अंदर जैसी की silver color की fittings हैं. You have a very elongated size of the shower cubicle with stunning features, WC area, and even with this master bathroom you have a balcony access. So ventilation की तो कोई problem ही नहीं हो सकती इस घर के अंदर. And this is the terrace garden you get if you buy a penthouse in this very same 1000 square yard corner property. So what an amazing sit out area they have created over here. It would be truly a delight for your family and friends. This comes loaded with exclusive terrace garden, a fully loaded one with amazing green work they have done over here. On all sides they have installed these pre-tiled waterproof planters over here, so you can enhance the look and feel of this terrace garden by installing as many as the plants you want. Comes with a private lift. You also have a larger than life, a full size bar over here. But the highlight of this penthouse is this 400 acres जहांपना forest view. आपको इस तरह का व्यू साउथ दिल्ली के अंदर दोबारा किसी प्रॉपर्टी में कभी नहीं मिलेगा. I hope you have really enjoyed this property video tour by Team Saudi Reviews. Personally मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया आपको ये दिखाने के अंदर. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Saudi Reviews. I hope आपने Saudi Reviews को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा, पर अगर नहीं किया है please subscribe to Saudi Reviews. Otherwise you will miss out on seeing something really spectacular like this. You can call on the given number if you want to visit this property. We have super luxury properties available all over Saudi Delhi. Call us right now and we are ready to serve you.